Okay, YouTubers, this is MalDog1088, and yesterday I painted my AR15 M4 series camouflage. See the scope here, and what it was just camo paint. Cleaned everything really good, and then the markings that you see were actually done by using needles of a pine tree, or my condo right here. And as you can see how it turned out, it actually turned out bitchin'. But let you look at it here, see what you guys think. I think it turned out really good myself. Took me about a couple hours, about 2 hours for all the items here to get done. See the bipod here. And the magazines. But all in all, cost me about, what, $12 with the paint, the tape, the cleaner. So, tell me what you guys think. Give it a vote. And everybody have a great day.